Standard 4 Decoding Computer Science book. So kindly open your book, chapter page number 16. So in that particular chapter, we are identify the parts of desktop and know how to pin an application to the text bar and change the Windows color and adjust system volume, set the data and time, know more about folders and libraries, work with the file explorer. So in the previous class we already learned about operating system, and operating system most important program installed on the computer. So without it we cannot imagine a computer, or we cannot run a computer. So it acts as a interference between the user and the computer. So what is acts as a interference between user and computer, students? The operating system. Microsoft Windows is a GUI, that is graphical user interference based on the operating system. It means that we can perform basic file operations like saving, opening, deleting files, etc. by the GUI or the computer program or operating system. It controls the overall activities of a computer. It provides us a platform to work with the application software. So you can see there are various, or there are several versions of Windows, that is Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 3 2000, and Windows XP, and Windows 7. And Windows 95 was the first version, and after that we are finding the next or the latest version, that is Windows 10, and currently we use the most, that is Windows 10. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn about how to use or how to work with the files and folders. So let's begin. So understood folders and files libraries. A file is an item that contains information. You can create any type of file, students. If you want to create a file of your books, then or of your notes, you you can do by your own in your computer, and do a file with the particular name what you want, and put all the notes within that file. Okay, so it is a uh, it is a item that contains some information, for example text or images or music. The file name is given each file that helps to remain the contents of the file. Extension describes the type of file. So if we want to name a file, we have to uh, we can have up to 255 characters, including a period, dot, and file extension up to 8 characters. So note, a file is created using software program on a computer, and for example to create a text file you would use a text editor. Okay, so to create a text file, you have to use a text editor. To create an image, you have to create an image file, you would use image editor. And so for this one you have to use this one, that is we can say now, for text editor, sorry, for text file you have to use text editor, and for image file you have to use image editor. Okay, and to create a word document you would use a word processor. On computers using Windows 10, files are represented with icons because it is easier to recognize a type of file by looking at its icon. You can see these are the icons here: Amit Kumar, penguins, text documents, etc. are the files names. Okay, you have to use them like these icons, and you have know the name of the file with that particular icon. Here are some common file icons. When there are many paper files in the desk, it gets very difficult to find a particular file whatever required. So people often use folders to filling cabinet to store these files. If you want to only save the science items or the science notes, so you have to create a folder of science. Then here you can save many files of science notes. So folders are the same purpose. They are used to organize files for easy access. Folder is a storage area that stores your files of similar type. These files can be documents of or programs. Folders are the best way to organize and store your data. So, what is a folder, students? Folder is a storage area where you have to store your file of similar type. These files can be documents or programs. So, folder are the best way to organize your data. Okay, so a folder within a folder is called a subfolder. If we say about this one is the folder, you can see this one is the folder. So here if you go and double click here, there are the items that can be here are shown. Okay, so these are called subfolder. Then the libraries. Libraries are where you go to manage your documents, music, pictures, other files. So here you can see many things, and here actually organizing you can see a organizing way of many things, that is music, documents, pictures, etc. And you can browse your files the same way you would in a folder, or you can view your files arranged by properties like date, type, author, and you can include up to 50 folders in one library. You can see here this one is the library, and within the library you can see there are roll camera, documents, music, the videos, etc. Everything are find here. So this one is called libraries, and you can see you include up to 50 folders within a library.